Recently, a wave of new leaks and public sightings has pushed the DJI Avata 3 firmly into the spotlight, making it one of the most talked about FPV drones among enthusiasts, content creators, and industry watchers, as these appearances strongly suggest that this next-generation cinematic FPV drone is nearing launch and could be one of DJI's major upcoming releases following its most recent compact platforms, with rumors pointing toward a significant evolution that goes far beyond a simple refresh and instead signals a bold step forward in FPV drone design, imaging technology, and immersive flight experiences, especially as speculation grows around the possibility of multiple camera configurations, including a groundbreaking 360-degree camera variant that could redefine aerial storytelling, building on the legacy of the original Avata and the refinements introduced with Avata 2. This third-generation model is widely expected to deliver major improvements in aerodynamics, sensor size, obstacle awareness, transmission range, and overall usability, aiming to bridge the gap between high-end cinematic drones and approachable FPV systems that both beginners and professionals can enjoy. And the earliest leaked prototype images, although blurry and clearly captured during field testing, already hint at a noticeably altered silhouette when compared side by side with its predecessor, revealing a slimmer, more elongated body with a lowered top profile that now sits closer to propeller height, while the fuselage appears stretched toward the rear to compensate for reduced vertical volume, giving the drone a sleeker, more aggressive stance that suggests improved airflow efficiency and stability during high-speed maneuvers. And even the color scheme seen in these early units, a lighter gray reminiscent of DJI's recent consumer drones, indicates a possible visual shift, though as with all prototypes this finish could change before mass production. One of the most striking differences, however, is the camera module itself, which appears significantly larger and more exposed than before, fueling strong rumors that DJI is finally bringing a 1-inch sensor to its FPV lineup, a move that would dramatically enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity, making the Avata 3 far more appealing to filmmakers, YouTubers, and professional drone pilots who demand cinematic quality footage from agile FPV platforms. The discussion around this drone intensified further after an industry-shaking announcement of a prototype 360-degree drone concept surfaced elsewhere, sparking widespread debate about whether DJI, a company that already dominates both the drone market and the 360 camera space, would allow a competitor to claim that innovation. And shortly after, new leaked images appeared showing what seems to be a different Avata 3 prototype with unusual design elements that immediately caught attention, including a front-facing module featuring multiple dark circular elements that strongly resemble optical and lidar sensors, raising questions about the role of advanced anti-collision systems on an FPV drone traditionally associated with manual, high-speed flying, yet increasingly aligned with safer, smarter flight assistance. And alongside these sensors, a prominent white rectangular area appears at the front, likely emphasizing a powerful LED or auxiliary lighting system rather than a traditional camera placement, while additional darker sections could indicate air intakes or sensor windows, all of which point toward a modular and possibly movable front assembly that may be stabilized by a simplified gimbal system. And adding to the mystery is a distinct bump visible on the top of this module, which from certain angles closely resembles the upper lens of a spherical 360 camera, especially when image enhancements are applied, making it increasingly plausible that DJI is experimenting with a dual lens configuration, even though the absence of clear bottom view images leaves room for speculation. When these design cues are compared with other emerging 360 drone concepts, the similarities become hard to ignore, from the separated camera module and enhanced obstacle sensing to the integration with FPV goggles and motion controllers, suggesting not coincidence but deliberate parallel development. And the most logical explanation tying all these leaks together is that DJI may be testing at least 2 camera versions on the same Avata 3 airframe, one featuring a high-quality 1-inch sensor aimed at traditional cinematic FPV users and another experimental 360-degree camera variant designed to capture fully immersive footage and compete in an entirely new niche, potentially under a distinct sub-name while sharing the same core platform. which would allow DJI to react quickly to market shifts and emerging trends without delaying its main product launch. While none of this has been officially confirmed, and it remains possible that some prototypes may never reach consumers, focusing on the standard Avata 3 provides a clearer picture of what DJI is likely preparing, as recent technological patterns suggest a camera capable of 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion, support for 10-bit D-Log-M color profiles to maximize post-production flexibility, and an ultra-wide field of view approaching 170 degrees to amplify the sensation of speed and immersion that FPV pilots crave, all paired with improved electronic stabilization and refined tuning for dynamic flight. And beyond imaging, the Avata 3 is expected to feature a significantly upgraded obstacle detection and avoidance system, potentially moving from limited directional sensing to a high-speed omnidirectional setup enhanced by forward-facing LiDAR, specifically optimized to assist rather than hinder FPV flight by intelligently reducing collision risks in complex environments without interfering with manual control inputs. Transmission performance is another critical area where improvements are anticipated, with the likely adoption of DJI's latest O4-based transmission technology extending the range up to approximately 20 kilometers while delivering stronger signal stability, lower latency, and clearer real-time video feeds, which are absolutely essential for confident high-speed flying and precise maneuvering. And battery life may also see a modest but welcome boost, potentially reaching between 25 and 30 minutes under optimal conditions, making longer creative sessions and fewer battery swaps possible. Addressing long-standing user feedback, DJI may also introduce more modular repair options or official repair kits that include commonly damaged components such as propeller guards, frame sections, camera modules, and gimbal parts, allowing pilots to perform quick fixes after crashes without lengthy downtime, a change that would significantly enhance practicality for frequent flyers and FPV learners alike. And taken together, these rumored upgrades position the DJI Avata 3 as a potentially game-changing FPV drone that balances safety, performance, and cinematic quality in a way few competitors can match, appealing equally to newcomers seeking an accessible entry into FPV flight and experienced creators chasing the highest possible image quality and control. And if even a portion of these leaks turn out to be accurate, this drone could redefine expectations for immersive aerial video, action cinematography, and next-generation FPV technology while setting a new benchmark in DJI's already dominant lineup.